Now that's Sunday cook. Today we're gonna cook risotto, mushroom, and pork chop. Stay with me. Add some olive oil, onions, garlic, risotto. Add some white wine, some butter, stock. Put the mushrooms, some salt. Let's add some butter. Let's add the parsley. Here break the mushrooms. Parmesan cheese. Cook the pork chop. Add some butter. Okay, pork chop done. And now to do the taste test. Sophie. Mushroom risotto and pork chop.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Ah yeah! Mushroom risotto. Serve. Pork chop serve. Eat na!